what's up, TG Clan? Hi, guys, I'm Kitty. I have a ferret. Yee.
Little baby.
I got...
What's up, guys? We're in my sister's room.
Because I have
And
a
I forgot to
ferret.
put my shirt off.
Yeah, oh.
I forgot to put my shirt on. No, I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Oh. Her collar's falling. Oh, no.
Oh, my
Her collar
gosh.
fell off. Way to go, Katie. I didn't make it tighter.
I'll make it tighter. I'm going to put her on the ground. Make sure she does not get too dishwasher.
Okay, so the reason we're making this video is...
We will go to your mom's room to show them out the window.
Yeah. Okay, so if you guys don't know, if you're in like the UK,
Texas.
if you live in Texas, then there is a hurricane coming in Houston, and me and Gray live in Houston, so yeah. I want it to flood so I can go swimming.
Here, can you hold this?
Yes,
Normally
I
when it
can.
floods, we swim in it, but it's like nasty though, kinda.
One time, your mom said there was a snake in there,
Yes, there was. I saw it.
but didn't we still swim in it?
Yeah, here, let me hold it. Like, we saw a snake and we still swam in it. You remember we were acting like sharks crawling on our hands? We're like, dun, 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 dun. You remember I jumped up and down and started splashing and then I made waves all the way down the road?
Reach for the skies.
Wait, where'd Kitty go? Here, hold it. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her so I can put her down.
Hold up. Right. You suck. Great. Oh my gosh. Reach for the skies. Hey, they can see inside the gun. Oh, that's scared. And Gray, whenever I was calling Gray on Snapchat, he said that I woke him up.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Kitty.
You could tell by my eyes.
He's not tired.
Like how
Oh gosh, I found the charger in my butt.
Bro, they're sagging all the
Look!
way.
This charger was in my butt.
Aiden, was this supposed to be a trap? For your sister?
Oh no, that was just for the pictures up there. Right there. Bless you.
I'm sure Kitty.
No, you can put it back on the wall.
No, because we're down your mom's room show.
Oh yeah. Kitty's cage is huge.
Yes. I also went overboard with it.
I mean, like, it's perfect for her. She has a lot of room in the room. Hey, sit the camera. Sit the camera. There you go. Hi. Yesterday. Bless you. Yesterday was the Astros game,
And Astros won, I think.
Okay, so we don't actually know, because whenever last time I checked, it was actually 3-3 the 11th inning. Top of the 11th. Whenever I checked on my mom's phone. Bless you. Okay, so yesterday was yesterday was Meet the Teacher Day, and Gray came with me because he went to the Astros game with us. And the Astros were playing the Nationals, Washington Nationals. Oh, Kitty's getting back in her. Kitty. Going back to sleep? Ah. He's blowing his nose. And yeah. There he is. And we're gonna go show you guys the cloudy skies outside.
Oh
my gosh, he's gonna do it again. Watermelon. 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 Captain Crunch. Goodness bless you, Greg. Goodness. Uh-oh.
I was like, wait.
My battery's about to die. And Chloe threw up twice right there. One right there and one over there, which you can't see. No.
I can see one of them.
Yeah, so the other one's right here.
Oh, I see it.
Wait, what? Where is it? Where is it? I don't see it.
I don't want to step over here.
Wait, what in the world? I seriously don't see it. That's
Maybe
weird.
Chloe ate it.
I don't remember
Did
seeing
you
it.
let any dogs in the room beside?
Will it stop if I charge my phone?
No.
Okay. Because I really need to charge it.
Okay, so guys, look out the window. Chloe.
We need to get. Oh, there's Chloe. We need to get Smash. Look how cloudy it is,
Didn't we
guys.
do it last video?
No, we need to get her for the hurricane before the hurricane happens.
Are y'all gonna bring her inside if the hurricane happens?
I will. Oh, there's
Cooper. Wait, but what if your mom says no? You're still
She
bringing
won't.
her?
She's gonna let me.
Alright.
I'll just sneak her in.
As y'all guys know, Smash isn't allowed in.
And the logo. Yes. I found that online yesterday. I looked up TG logos and then it showed that. I was like, awesome.
Yeah, that was a really good logo. And yesterday, when I was watching our Call of Duty video, I was happy because I saw that logo and I was like, Tayden, how did you get that logo? He was like, oh, I searched it up. And I was like, okay, good. Because that's a way better logo than your drawing. But your drawing was pretty good, yeah.
I just didn't
Yeah, get it
close
like in
it
the right.
in. Yes.
Yeah.
That was too far.
It just should, like, half of Tayden's name and half of mine.
There's my Nana.
Hey, and by the way, sorry for the bad spelling on the, horrible.
Yeah, I
You
was like,
spelled just wrong. It's
Just.
you said jest with an E.
Just.
Just horrible. And
Sorry.
on one of the other videos, you also put jest again. We'll look at it so you can look at it. Tayden, I left my goal here so he could practice, but
I have been.
yeah. Tayden, come here and hold it at my face.
I broke this thing you big time.
Okay, yeah, well, Tayden, what if we do a Call of Duty video on us hitting 100 wins?
But we can't play the PS4 at your house.
I know, but what if we could? Would we video it doing 100 wins and opening up my supply drops?
I don't know. Take this one. No, shoot it right there.
Boo! What is that on the floor?
Huh?
Why is that on the floor?
That's my mom's charger. I took it out so I can charge mine.
Oh.
Miss! Make! Dun dun dun!
Not ready.
My turn! Wow!
Never hit the floor.
Wow! Best dunk in the world. This video isn't really anything, guys. I just wanted to make it.
Tell you that there's a hurricane.
Great! You looked at the camera.
I'm really, I'm not
Here.
worried about the hurricane, just saying.
I kind of want
Hey!
Cooper.
Cooper, come, let's eat. Come on, let's eat. Come on.
He just came storming in.
Dude, that scared me. How your nana.
Oh yeah, if you guys, I don't think we showed Cooper yet, right?
Yeah, we did. I don't remember, but we should. This video. Well, we're gonna pause it because that's all we've done until Cooper's done eating, and then we'll show you him. So, peace.
What's up?
What's up, guys? I'll show you what Cooper does next. Come on, Cooper. You wanna lay down? Go.
Aww.
Good boy. You like snuggle over there. Even you like to come here.
I don't know if you guys have watched the past videos where we're babysitting Cooper, because his owners are in Hawaii.
He's like,
And he's a dead dog. Dead dog.
are you dead, Cooper?
He's dead!
Cooper.
Oh my
Are you
gosh.
dead? Oh, your baby.
Hi.
Your baby. Your baby. Are you dead, buddy? Are you dead? Yeah. Look, now watch when I let go. He'll just come right back up.
He's like, come here. Rub my back.
I love this dog so much. I feel like this dog's mine now.
Is that my Nana? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Oh,
Okay.
come on, Cooper. Ready some food? Go.
Well, what else should we do?
Well, this was a video.
Okay, so we can't play the PS4.
But I'll ask my mom.
If at here or at your house, so you can get the 100 ones.
So far, I think we're at 86 or 87 now.
I think we're at 87.
Or 88, because I was playing last night.
Oh, so it's probably 88.
I mean, yesterday when you left, that's when I was playing.
What are those?
So it might be 89 or 88 or 87. It's like it's 86.
No.
I remember winning one when you were gone.
Okay, so we have 88 probably.
No, I said I remember winning one of them.
Derp.
I'm pretty sure I won
Derp, pretty, derp, 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 pretty, derp, 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 pretty, derp, 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 derp.
Well, guys, hopefully y'all guys enjoyed.
Wait a second. Wait a second.
What?
Make sure to like and subscribe,
Like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications.
so you never miss a TG Glam video.
And I'm trying to
Manipulate me.
manipulatize you.
And pray for us that the hurricane doesn't kill us or our houses. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll
See you next time.
peace out. We'll probably make another video today.
If we can play PS4.
Yeah.
Please dab on them haters. Make sure you're smiling. Keep on dabbing on the hater. Work hard. You can too. I don't know. I'm just got that from a song. Logan Paul, Jake Paul. Go subscribe to them too.